Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the American Museum of Cuban Diaspora. My name is Regina Rodriguez, a PhD candidate in environmental engineering at the University of Florida. I have the pleasure of welcoming you to the 2018 Cuban Infrastructure Scholarship Competition. The hosting committee is made up of members from two sponsoring organizations, the Association of Cuban-American Engineers and the Cuban-American Association of Civil Engineers. I would like to remind everyone that this event is being live casted online and accessible using the YouTube link in your program. Buenos días a todos y bienvenido al American Museum de Cuban Diaspora. Mi nombre es Regina Rodríguez y soy una candidata de doctorado en Ingeniería del Medio Ambiente en la Universidad de la Florida. Es un placer hoy darles la bienvenida a la competencia de 2018 para las becas sobre infraestructuras cubanas. El comité anfitrión está compuesto por miembros de las dos organizaciones patrocinadoras, la Organización de Ingenieros Cubanos Americanos y la Asociación de Cubanos Americanos de Ingenieros Civiles. Muchas gracias por estar hoy aquí con nosotros y en el live. Queremos recordarle que la competencia está siendo transmitida en vivo y puede ser accesada usando el link que tienen en su invitación. El resto de la competencia y presentaciones continuarán en inglés. At this time, I would like to recognize the presidents from each organizations and thank them for their support on this program. Roger Puerto, the president of the Association of Cuban-American Engineers, and Yvette Alman, leading the Cuban-American Association of Cuban Engineers. We are very grateful to Bulla Gastrobar, owned by Carlos Antirium, who has graciously sponsored the Cuban Infrastructure Scholarship Competition event with a $20,000 per year for a 5-year sustainable commitment. Many of you may be familiar with the original Bulla restaurant in Coral Gables and now Doral in Winter Park. Prior to beginning our program this morning, I want to welcome Mr. Roger Puerto, the Cuban Infrastructure Committee Chair, to provide us some introductory remarks. Roger has played a key role these past years in the competition as it's grown more and more successful. Thank you, and please welcome Mr. Roger Puerto.